Welcome back to the channel, traders. In this video, we are breaking down our weekly fundamental and technical analysis for gold to help you prepare your setups for the upcoming trading week. Let us dive straight into the macro data and the daily chart. The fundamentals. US inflation softens, but stalemate remains. Gold experienced a highly active week, stretching higher to touch a fresh 2-month peak near $4,450 before correcting back down to close the week virtually unchanged around the $4,400 area. On the supportive side, the US dollar faced selling pressure after cooling inflation prints. US July CPI came in line with expectations, softening to 3.4% annually, while producer inflation dropped to 4.7%. Combined with disappointing US retail sales data, the market has heavily scaled back bets for a September Fed interest rate hike, with the probability dropping below 35%. However, gold struggled to sustain its highest levels. The ongoing geopolitical tension in the Middle East and shipping disruptions through the Strait of Hormuz remain a stalemate. This keeps long-term crude oil price forecasts elevated, meaning inflation fears are not fully gone, and the Fed's next moves remain highly data-dependent. Next week, the primary fundamental drivers to watch will be the FOMC monetary policy meeting minutes on Wednesday and the preliminary US PMIs on Friday. The technicals. The 4360 resistance holds. Looking at our daily chart, our analysis from last week played out perfectly. As we anticipated, the price rose to test the significant 4360 resistance level, which successfully held the market as we headed into the weekend. Although gold managed to close slightly above this level, around 43.76, this breakout remains highly unconfirmed and uncertain. Because of this buyer hesitancy, there is a strong possibility that we will see a healthy pullback to retest the key 4,200 support level before any sustainable leg higher. However, if we monitor lower timeframes next week and see clear bullish price action signals indicating a continuation of the upward move, our next primary target is 45.40. Keep a close eye on the red 200-day simple moving average, which is currently hovering around 45.03. This is a very strong dynamic resistance area that has the potential to reject the price, so managing your risk around this level is crucial. That is all for today's market breakdown. If you want to receive these weekly gold analyses and follow our automated trading systems live as we develop and test them, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned. Trade smart, manage your risk, and have a wonderful, relaxing weekend.